What if I told you that just $200 a month could turn into $1 million? You don't need to be rich to get there. You just need one thing most people waste.
Time. That's the secret. That's the secret. So let me show you exactly how this works.
Step 1. Invest $200 every single month. Put it into a simple S&P 500 index fund. That's 500 of America's biggest companies in one basket. Historically, it's returned around 10% a year on average. In your first year, that's just $2,400. Boring, right? But watch what compounding does when you give it time. $10 years to $41,000. After 20 years, about $150,000. After 30 years, roughly $450,000. And after 40 years, around $1.2 million. Here's the crazy part. You only put in about $96,000 of your own money. The rest was pure growth. That's the power of compounding. And its secret ingredient is time. Start at 25 instead of 35, and you can end up with nearly double, just from 10 extra years. To the lied, to downs to the plapper skips. Automate it so you never skip. Your simple plan: open a brokerage, pick a low-cost index fund, and auto-invest $200. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is today. Subscribe for one blueprint a week.